Tuli Mbale ne President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine akyaliddeko omukuuka wa Mbale oba Kabaka w'e Mbale era ng'ensonga emuleese waliwo ensonga zeboogerako ng'abakulembeze n'abakulembeze ku by'okuggyako Museveni n'emikolo egigenda okubeera eno e Mbale egy'embalo.
The president is live in Mbale. He's being welcomed. He's going to be welcomed by the deputy president of the NUP in charge of Eastern Uganda. He has brought the contribution for the function, the mega function of the Bamasaba functions. In time from now, the president will be welcomed here by the deputy president, Honorable. Yeah, sure. The president is finally here. The president is meeting the leaders of Mbale for National Unity Platform contribution ahead of the Mbale function.
C'est le président, nous est parti à National Unity Platform.
Oh, you are most welcome. Good morning, good morning. How are you?
I can't now she is a little massage.
Yeah.
Can you remember how to observe?
Mulembe ba.
Mulembe.
Mulembe rugai.
Mulembe.
Urumulai.
Nimulai.
That's a good one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Rukosu mukukawe bamasaba imusime namuboniroho kulwekukwakana ano kumutikinyi kwesha lero uliloba lyolye bamasaba Yesu kanihanga wehale era inakusima kuwakanira president w'epate ya National Unity Platform Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abyoko bere bekubana engolo ne wafuna kamasika ate basilamu bale bewe ni basishiro kyanyeta kwa lushusa lwa bashalera kibulelano shindu kitwera kyobona kiri hohosa tinganana nyongo nikimisiro chefe chemaruye bamasa kale etire nga wetire isi bana bemwaro balanga bari ni kamakura nenga kitokiranga kamayiya wetire ni kamayiya kesalere munzu ya masaba inzu yo isi wo huliranga umuyinga we bamasaba ero mwena nakubandi mumwa kano kukanele mekabe hulupupusi sibalanga bari check leo benyala yole ya boss kano kakanele kete mukashi esa nakabwambisire si anakutekesera china shiri mumayaka neso nasimbire ku fuchis kule over abo bani rukosi ni leader lyo ukana ne ngano fuchisire hutse wele aho bambalisi
Mozu ya masaba. Amasina.
Yes.
Izi Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Newe mbele no bantu merinnya lya Mubuya. During the campaign that I hold it very dear. We are very honored to meet you, sir.
Yes.
On my behalf, on behalf of my family, but most importantly on behalf of the National Unity Platform Party, which I lead, which is very proud to have as our Deputy President Eastern Uganda. the Honorable Nambeshe. First, allow me to deliver our good wishes. We are supposed to attend the Imbaru. We are very grateful for the invitation. But because I'm personally going to be caught up with some other duties, I'm going to be ably represented by my Deputy President. But I saw it important to also come personally to deliver the good wishes, the thanks for the good relationship, and also, I don't know what you call it,
Kamaiya.
and also to deliver Kamaiya. So my words will be very few, just to appreciate you. Tweyanzanye banga nesobola n'okwogera Oluganda kintu yava eno naffe tuli bazzukulu bamusaaba kubanga kintu yava eno sebo tweyanziza okutwaniriza tuli basiimu.
Yes, Honorable Nambeshe.
Nambasa isi nafikirisira wenenayo tube musajja tulikosa isi kutaho witnessingira handing over contribution yefenge party ya National Unity Platform atenga president umwene wabirero mutsingato wetsirana kale bashi chance so mukukora masana.
No, this is for transparency purpose.
Vanhu vakambazi vari vasomolomo mu kamai yako karimo million rand Uganda ngakatya uye tokubona kuti umuholo kwembalu yevamasava kuchenda bulayi.
I got an impromptu call. It was not official, but being my member of Parliament from this sub-region, I had to respond. I welcome you to this sub-region, Honorable Chagulanyi, that's the official name. Yes. This is my first time to interact with you directly. I am a cultural leader who is supposed to affirm neutrality and impartiality in all my activities I do, because I must preserve my integrity as a cultural leader. All by myself, irrespective of their political affiliations, are my people. So it is the same thing to all Ugandans, despite all their political affiliations. As me as a culture, I embrace everybody as a citizen. So when I heard that you were coming, I was impressed, because some people shy away from receiving people from opposition, and especially at your level, because you are one of the key opposition members in this country. But for me as a cultural leader, I must always associate with all people of different shades, because I entertain dialogue and constructive engagement. Now, when I receive you, I get energized, because you are going to play a role of advisor to the institution. Now, my focus as a cultural leader is always looking at we must have shared goals, shared values, and you can imagine that you can get very good values from your party. You can get very good values from FDC. You can get good values from DP. So long as they have ultimate aim, transform the common person. So you are not an enemy to a cultural institution, because you are from an opposition. Even if NRM came here, I must entertain them. DP, these are my citizens. So when I receive such a gift, it has a lot of significance with political weight. Right now, the political arm of government, they have also offered us support. If I receive it from a noob, it is because it is from the bottom of your heart, and that's the respect you anchor to the cultural institution. Because there is no nation on Earth planet which has actually developed without respecting the cultural values of that nation. So even if you're a politician, it does not mean that you don't have to respect the cultural values. So I am very much humbled, and I can assure you this gift symbolizes a lot. It considers it that you as an opposition leader, you know for sure that we must work in tandem and closely with the cultural leader in order for you to achieve your objectives. Even if you are in government, you must work with us. Even if you are not in government, you must work with us. Because ultimately, for us, we want unity, peace, and tranquility. And with that, we now prepare the development agenda for what you are driving at. So your presence and your putting energy to come to Bali, it has really energized us as Bamasa. I'm welcoming you to Bugisu on behalf of the entire community. Let me thank him again. He's the only member of NUP in Bugisu, but he enjoys a lot of cordial relationship with even other party affiliations. So you have a big resource. And for us, as Bugisu, we like him so much. When I was traveling recently to UK, some of my members said, don't move with Nambeche, he's an opposition. I said, he must be number one on the list. Yes. And he was part of my delegation. Now, when we went there, you saw what we did. Because we were putting our heads together as Bamasa, not as party affiliation. So, in short, I thank you, Honorable, for giving me this opportunity and for giving me a gift. I'm going to declare this to the Imbaru Culture Board, and it must receive a certificate for contributing to this noble cause. I even got your card here to invite you, but I'm going to hand it over to you. You will delegate anybody to come, and you will be recognized during the Imbaru celebrations. I thank you. Yes, sir.
Kama ule namba za maisha ya misi.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Manya.
Honorable, we can have 1-2 words briefly from here. Yes.
Honorable, tell us.
It was actually supposed to be yesterday, but we lost a comrade, so we were given opportunity to come today. I personally came to deliver our thanks and good wishes to the House of Bamasaba, and to personally meet Umukuka, to salute him and deliver our contribution, our humble contribution to the function that is going to happen very soon, the Imbaru function. So we've been able to deliver them, been able to greet Umukuka, and it's been such a respectful day. Kuja lunaku lwajjo naye twafiiriddwa munaffe, twesimye nti Umukuka yakirizana tusinkana leero. Tubadde tuzze kusinkana Umukuka kumubuuzaako kutuusako obubaka bwaffe obw'okwagala naye okusingira ddala n'okubuleeta contribution yaffe ku mukolo ogw'Embalu ogugenda okubeera wano munaku ntono nnyo, era tusobodde omusinkana era twesimye ku lunaku lubadde lulungi nnyo.
Obubaka ki bw'owa abantu ku lunaku olwo n'Abamasaba General?
Njagala okubaagaliza olunaku olw'Embalu, omukolo ogw'Embalu omulungi, okubajjukiza nti tubaagala nga cultural institution emu kuz'amaanyi mu Uganda, n'okubajjukiza baagale nnyo culture yaabwe bagicelebrating kubeera celebrated all over the world, n'ab'e Kenya n'abamawanga amalala. It's one of the big tourism attractions wano mu Uganda, kubanga omukolo gw'Embalu bagwogerako okwetola ensi yonna. So ffe twesiimye okuba nga tuli mu Uganda era nga tuli in touch ne Bamasaba.
Yeah, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the 10th President, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, has just delivered the message from the family of National Platform, the total of 5 million ahead of the function of Imbalu culture that happens every year. So today, the President is in Mbale celebrating, joining the people of Bamasaba, trying to celebrate.
Byebyo obirabye bulungi era bitegedde omukulembeze Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ni Mbale meeting de omukuuka wa Bamasaba muyite kabaka wa Bamasaba wa Mbale kabaka wa Bugishu gwasinkanye olwaleero era n'awaayo obubaka bwe eri omukolo ogw'Embalu ogenda okubeerawo very soon era ng'olabye omukuuka asiimidde ennyo nnyini ddala President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine okubanga ate awaddeyo contribution ennene bw'etyo okubanga ate amusisinkanye ate ng'okuba nti abeereddewo ab'Embale mu mbeera eno era nga ono yabadde ayitiddwa okujja okubeerawo ku mukolo ogwo naye nga tagenda kusobola kubanga ate agenda kubanga ali weeru wa ggwanga ku mirimu ate emitongole egy'okulaba nga tujjako Nakyamala General Museveni osobola okweyagalira mu ggwanga lyaffe osobola okweyagalira ate mu nsi yaffe kale byebyo ebivudde Embale kasitambi wane mu birabye mu bitegedde omukama gwe nsaba akuume tujja kuba tuddamu banywanyi mweraba.